Hi kids, and welcome back for another video. Since it is superhero week, today we're going to be making a superhero fortune teller. So, super simple. All you're going to be needing is some scissors, a piece of paper, and then I have some crayons, and I also have some markers. So either or works, both works, whatever you want. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and grab my paper. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it. I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to line it up with this side of the page so that this makes a light point, like that. So I'm just line it up, fold it this way, that way, and just as close to it being like a little point right there is fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. So like that. I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm gonna cut off this extra bit. So just like that. So now I have this little triangle, and when I open it, I have a square. So now I'm gonna fold it the other way. So I opened it this way, right? So now I'm gonna take the top and the bottom and then fold it this way. Together like that. So now I'm gonna open it again and I'm gonna have these lines on both sides. So I'm gonna take this first corner and I'm gonna fold it to the center. So just that center point right there and fold. And then I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the rest. So fold like that. One like that, and next one like that. So they don't have to be overlapping. If you leave a little bit of space like this in between, it's easier for them to move around. So now that I have that side, I'm gonna flip it, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing, both these corners this way. So this corner right to the center like that. This corner to this center. This one doesn't want to fold. Like that. Like that. And then the last one right there. And now, once you have it all folded this way, I'm going to fold it half. So like this. In half. And then I'm gonna fold it again this way. So I just have a little square. And this is just to get all the creases really creased in there. So I'm really folding it so that when I open it back up, I'm gonna open it like this. I'm gonna stick my finger under this flap. Stick my finger under this flap. It's just easier this way. And then the other side. Place it together, and now I have a little fortune teller. Hopefully that wasn't too fast. Of course, you guys can rewind the video if you need it. But now I'm gonna open it back up and I'm just gonna decorate it. So I'm gonna do these first. I'm gonna take my crayons and I'm going to pick different colors. So I'm gonna do pink. I'll do blue. I'm doing like the short words of the colors because I don't know if you guys know how to use a fortune teller, but usually you do a color here and then like let's say it's red, then I spell out the word red and it's R-E-D, and then they pick from the inside. So we want short crayon so that I don't have to spell out something crazy like, I don't know, magenta, and it's just too long, it gets complicated. So let me find my red. I think it's this right here. Yep, my red, and then we'll do green. It's not too long. Okay. So now I'm gonna just color in each one accordingly. So I'm gonna do my green right here. And I'm just coloring off. It's not perfect. Let me move these to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I did my green there. Next, I'm gonna do this one blue. Next, I'm gonna take my pink. And then my red. This one looks kind of pink, but it's red. It's like a strawberry red. So those are my colors. Next, I'm gonna take a marker. I'll take my gray. And I'm just gonna write on top of my colors what color it is. So I'm gonna write green, red, pink, and then blue. So just like that. And now on the inside, I'm gonna number these 1 to, what is it, 8, I think? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like that. And now I'm gonna open it up again, and on each individual section, so this is gonna be the number, I'm gonna put a fortune. So since it is superhero, mine are actually gonna be, what are they called? Superpowers. So it's like if you land on 7, it would be what superpower you would get. So for my first one, I'm gonna put mind reading ability. Let me move it so you guys can see. I don't know if I can write and have you guys see, but we're gonna try. So this one, I'm gonna write laser beam eyes. You guys don't have to use the same fortunes as I am. That's okay. If you do, this next one I'm writing super hearing. I'm gonna turn it this way. This one I'll put, I'm gonna have to write it this way because something will fit, but I'm gonna write invisibility. Invisibility. And then we'll put on this one super speed. Let me turn it around. Next we'll write X-ray vision. Super strength. And then last one, let's see, what's another one? I'll put move things with your mind. So there are all my fortunes. You can go ahead and like color the inside too, or you can color these numbers. I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. I'm gonna close it all back up. Okay. Get my fingers inside. And here's a fortune teller. So again, if you guys don't know how to use it, I'll show you real quick. So let's say I'm gonna ask my friend to pick a color and they say red. I'm gonna go R-E-D. Then they're gonna get to choose a number. Let's say they pick 2. 1, 2. Now they pick another number and they pick 5. I open it up and then what's under 5? X-ray vision. So that's their fortune. That's their superpower they would be getting. So that's how you play. That's how you use this. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys have fun with your fortune tellers. And I'll see you again next week with another video.